Hi everyone, I'm back. Welcome to my channel. I'll be doing another reaction video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy Kikoy and we will be doing another reaction video by Hyang. She'll be singing Somewhere Over the Rainbow. This was recorded last September 2016 and she got 49,000 views. And I just want to thank to all people who commented on my previous video, who liked my post and subscribed. Thank you so much guys for supporting, and thank you so much for those people who suggested a song for me to react, especially this one. This was requested by one of the viewers. So without further ado, let's watch the video. Beautiful stage. Somewhere over the rainbow. Bye-bye. Oh my god, this song is actually it's just a lullaby that, you know, could make you sleep. Oh my god, I really love this song and I like it so much. This time she didn't show any vocal acrobats, those high notes and those powerful pipes that she had, and it was very emotional and very captivating, and I really like it so much. That's why it made me Hyang my queen. Made Hyang my queen. Whatever. So if you have any videos you want me to react, any Soyang videos or any videos you want me to react, please don't forget to drop a comment down below. Don't forget to press the like button and smash the subscribe button. Goodbye!